Hello students, good morning. In our previous video, I was talking about the chapter how the camel got its hump, and I told you that the camel was very lazy and he was not willing to work, so he lived in the middle of the desert and whenever any of his fellow animal came to say him that come and do work like us, then always he says hump. Like first of all the horse went there and say come and trot like us, then he refused that and only said hump. Then a dog went there, then say come and we will play carry and pick and carry and throw and such kind of a game. Then he says no, I'm not going to do that. Then a bullock came then and he said then come and plow like us, then he also said hump. Then the man looked at all the three and he said to all the three creatures, to the horse, bullock and dog, that you guys do something like that. Whatever is the work is there, you all need to do that. That made the three very angry. Up to means in the end, the man said that you all must work double the time to make up for it. Means he said that you need to do more work to compensate the work not done by the camel. So you three need to do more work. This was the command by the man. That made the three very angry, and this command that you do the work at the place of camel, this made all the three very angry, and they held a panchayat on the edge of the desert. Then they called for a panchayat. Panchayat, you know what is panchayat? This panchayat is something if you are not satisfied with, if you are not satisfied with any decision, then you can call for the panchayat, and then this is happening and this is not fair. So this is called like just like a meeting. Panchayat is just like a meeting. They called for a panchayat, a meeting on the edge of the desert, in the desert, and the camel came chewing cud and anguished them. And how the camel came? He was chewing something. He was chewing some leaves and all that. And anguished means made them angry. Then he said hump and bent away again. And he said hump and bent away. He did not stop there. He did not attend the meeting. He said only hump and went away. Presently there came along the Dazin who was in charge of all deserts. It was Dazin who was in charge of all the deserts, rolling in a cloud of dust. Rolling in a cloud of dust. So you know pretty well that there are some deserts like cyclones of air. That is what we are calling him Dazin here. This is Dazin basically D silent, so you can say Zin. Zin might be here. It was a jinn, and you say the jinn was rolling. He was the in charge. Jinn was the in charge, and the jinn was the in charge. And he what was the shape of it? Just like a rolling. You see the cyclones of air. He was in the that shape, and the rolling cloud of dust. Jinn was in the shape of a rolling cloud of dust. Okay, so what happened? Jinn of all deserts, said the horse, O jinn of all deserts, it is right for anyone to be idle. क्या ये सही है कि कोई ऐसे आलसी बना रहे, ऐसे आइडल बना रहे? आइडल मीन्स लेजी. Idle means lazy. So the horse asked, jinn of all deserts, is it right for anyone to be idle? क्या ये सही है कि कोई आइडल बना रहे, कोई लेजी बना रहे? Certainly not, said the jinn. तो जिन बोलता है certainly not, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. निश्चित रूप से नहीं। वेल सेड द हॉर्स, हॉर्स ने बोला अच्छा। देयर इज ए थिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ योर डेजर्ट विद अ लॉन्ग नेक एंड अ लॉन्ग लेग्स, एक कुछ ऐसा है जो आपके डेजर्ट के मिडिल में रहता है और उसकी बहुत ही लॉन्ग नेक है और उसके बहुत लॉन्ग लेग्स हैं। एंड ही हैज़न्ट डन अ स्ट्रोक ऑफ वर्क सिंस मंडे मॉर्निंग, और उसने कोई भी काम, रत्ती भर भी काम नहीं किया हुआ है मंडे मॉर्निंग से। ही वोंट ट्रॉट, वो तेज़ दौड़ता भी नहीं है। व्यू सेड द जिन whistling, that's my camel, what does he say about it? तो जिन जैसे ही रोल करता है तो साउंड आता है व्यू, एंड वो बोलता है कि दैट्स माई कैमल, वो तो मेरा कैमल है। एंड व्हाट ही सेज अबाउट इट, और वो उसके बारे में क्या कहता है? ही सेज हम, वो जब भी उससे पूछो तो वो कहता क्या है, तो उन्होंने आंसर दिया एंड ही वोंट प्लो सेड द ऑक्स, ऑक्स ने बोला कि वो केवल हम बोलता है और वो प्लो भी नहीं करता है, वो खेत को जोतना जिसको कहते हैं, टू सॉफ्ट द सॉइल ऑफ द फील्ड, तो वो ही इज़ नॉट डूइंग दैट वर्क ऑल्सो, तो ही ओनली सेज हम, ये इट वॉज द रिप्लाई ऑफ द ऑक्स। वेरी गुड सेड द जिन, जिन ने बोला बहुत अच्छी बात है। आई विल हम्प हिम इफ़ यू विल काइंडली वेट अ मिनट, तो मैं उसको हम्प करूँगा अगर तुम 1 मिनट के लिए मेरा वेट करो, तो मेरे लिए 1 मिनट का वेट करो। और ऐसा कहने के बाद उसने बोला, किसने बोला? ये जिन ने बोला। नाउ हियर आर सम कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चंस। What task do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? What made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? And how did the jinn know the horse was complaining against the camel? So these are certain questions that you need to answer after watching this video, and you will try to answer these questions.